heart just went on and on.
You're crazy.
That's what everybody says, but with all due respect, miss, I'm not the one hanging off the back of the ship here.
It's the 90s at 9 on Star 1013.
Admitting to skipping school so she could go see Destiny's Child perform at Walmart in Houston. I probably would have done the same. It's Star 1013.
Say my name, say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Why the sudden change? Say my name. If no one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name. You acting kinda shady. Ain't calling me baby. Better say my name.
Oh, it's a tow truck right there.
Baby, how's your day?
I did not see that.
Every other word is a hum. Yeah, okay. Stick be the truth. If you took it there, say I am not the one to sit around and be played. So prove yourself to me. I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the things that you said to me yesterday? I know you say that I'm doing my thing. I'm going down as a way of things. You're back to me. You're saying everything that makes them do.
called the accent, I think. Yeah. Oh, that's far doing good, so.
Tell the truth, will you win? How would you like it if I came over with my changing now? See you, gotta bounce.
Oh, okay.
It's hard to believe that you are at home by yourself. And I just heard the voice, heard the voice of someone else. Just this question, why? You got a mind caught up in your game when you cannot say my name. Something's going down just the way it seems. It's the way you act straight. It's nobody's holding back from me. When you say everything to me, don't you? Somebody said and tell me you. Say my name. Say, baby, I love you. Say my name. Say my name.
Yeah, not hard. And another one. Okay, so definitely such but I got properly like everybody else. Looks like you can see it. Fire, it's just the light bulbs. It's a scary part.
You're hearing the 90s at 9 on Star 1013.
Are you ready for this? It's another 90s one-hit wonder.
Christina, and we've got more money for you. $1,000 of gas cash, 13 times a day. Now, Brittany won earlier.
I won $1,000? Yes! Oh my God, that's so cool. I've been listening all day and playing. That's so cool.
I'm so happy. Give it another chance. Starting Monday morning at 6:25 on Star 1013.
More variety from the 2000s, the 90s, and today. Star 1013.
Happy weekend, y'all. It's Marcus.
Hey, you guys, it's Corey.
Keep your radio on Star 1013 all weekend. We're taking it back to the 90s as always. And we have a 90s show, the Goo Goo Dolls, going to be at Trust Amphitheater at Stanford on September 4th. And if we want to send you, they're on sale now at AXS.com. That's with us, Marcus and Corey, on Star 1013.
Prescription products require an online consultation with a healthcare provider who will determine if your prescription is appropriate. Restrictions apply. See website for full details and important safety information. Subscription required. Refundable for 60 days after purchase.
Hey guys, did you know there's a generic form of Viagra that works just the same, but is and you can get it online? Go to 4hims.com/joy. At Hims, you'll get a free medical consultation and prescribe. Love your results or your money back. To start your free online visit, go to 4hims.com/hims.com/JOY.
I'm Tom Shane. Growing up in a family of jewelers, I remember looking at gemstones alongside my father. I learned to appreciate their unique beauty and developed an eye for evaluating diamonds, rubies, and sapphires. To this day, I'm still examining gemstones. Throughout the year, I traveled to Bangkok, the gemstone to hand select only the most beautiful rubies and 16 colors of sapphires for Shane Company. When I'm there, I never select stones on a cloudy day. Only with natural sunlight can I accurately evaluate the color and the stone's brilliance. I also oversee the cutting of each to maximize its inherent beauty. That's why our are more beautiful and vibrant than any other jewelers in town. Come in to find one that's perfect. Now you have a friend in the jewelry business. Shane Company and ShaneCo.com.
Else online, why not buy a brand new car? Hey, it's Sean Del Grant, and I can only be talking about our exclusive no-brainer checkout from DGDG, the online car buying experience that's, well, a no-brainer. Shop online, buy online, get loan pre-approval, even customize your lease options. Buy a brand new car completely online with no-brainer checkout from DGDG.
Things are a bit tight lately. That's why I love Kohl's. I went back to school shopping and got kids' clothes for under $6, sneakers for less than $20, and an extra 20% off already great deals, like 25% off backpacks. And get this, you can save more with the Kohl's card and earn Kohl's cash. Talk about more style and more savings. Select styles, 20% off through July 24th. Some exclusions apply. See store Kohl's account for details.
He needs to move a couch across town. Beth lives nearby and has a truck she barely uses. Problem is, they don't know each other. Luckily, Beth is sharing her truck on the Get Around app, so Jay can rent it, while Beth plans a vacay with the money she just earned. Problem solved for Jay, who can even unlock magic. Get Around, the car-sharing community that lets you share your car or rent one for any occasion. Learn more at getaround.com.
Hey, thanks for coming over, Jake from State Farm. Couldn't say no, Pablo. I love me some vinyl. Well, my budget doesn't. I'm calling time on my vinyl collecting. Whoa! Don't give up what you love. State Farm has options like insurance, home, and ride, with great rates on both. Ooh, that's music to my ears. All right, spin that vinyl. The surprisingly great rates. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there. Call or go to statefarm.com for a quote today.
Let's be real. Mopping is a hassle. You have to fill the bucket,